Backyard wildlife, wild turkeys. Wild turkeys are large birds. They have bumpy heads and necks. Wild turkeys live in forests, grasslands, and swamps. They stay near trees. Wild turkeys gather in flocks. These small groups eat, sleep, and move together. The turkeys forage or look for food during the day. They scratch the ground for nuts, berries, and insects. At night they roost in trees. There they are safe from predators. Male turkeys are called toms. They have bald heads and colorful feathers. They fan their feathers to impress hens. A hen is a girl turkey. Their heads and necks change color too. Then they strut. They gobble to attract more attention. Toms fight one another for hens. They use sharp spurs on their legs for battles. She is mine.